Braised red wine short ribs. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're gonna be taking 2 to 4 pounds of short ribs, 1/4 cup of 5 spice, salt and pepper to taste. Coat this all around and place in the fridge for overnight. Now coating this with all-purpose flour. Moving on, next we're gonna be taking our Dutch oven, adding in extra virgin olive oil and searing on all sides. From here, taking in white onions, celery, carrots, tomato paste, beef stock, and wonderful red wine to make a wonderful sauce. Add short ribs into the Instapot just like so. Then pour the contents right in. Cover this with our lid, pressure on high for 45 minutes. Once ready, we're going to take out the ribs and strain this to make the sauce. From here, the sauce will need 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken up. Heat up the sauce, add in the cornstarch mixture. Give this a nice mix until it's thickened. Now onto our polenta, we're going to be taking polenta, heavy cream, salt and pepper. Heat this to combine just like so and set aside. Next, plate time. We're going to be serving tonight with Robert Bilal black chicken, Napa Valley Zinfandel, original producer. There's the black cherry, raspberry, sandalwood on the nose. Rich with plum, compote, violets, baking spice on the palate. Pour on the remaining red wine sauce, and there we have it. Our wonderful red wine braised short ribs. Please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.